welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today is Thirsty Thursday, so that means it is happy hour all day long. I'm just kidding, but it is almost noon here, so I think it's time we can make a drink. Today we're going to be making homemade hard lemonade. So we're actually going to make the lemonade and then we're going to make it hard. So I've got 2/3 of a cup of water here, and to this I'm going to add a half a cup of sugar, and I'm going to stir this really well. And the next thing I want to do is put this in the microwave for about a minute or so, and this is just going to help the sugar dissolve. All right, while our sugar is dissolving in our water in the microwave, the next thing we're going to need is some lemon juice. So I've already squeezed most of my lemons, but I did want to show you my citrus press. So you put the citrus in here upside down, and then you just give it a squeeze, and it turns your citrus pretty much inside out. I mean, it gets every little last drop out of there. So I love this thing. So I'm going to need about a half a cup of lemon juice. All right, I'm going to go ahead and grab my sugar and water. All right, our sugar is completely dissolved. I'm just going to give it one last little stir here. I think there might be a tiny bit on the bottom, but that's okay. And to this, I'm going to add the half a cup of lemon juice. And then I'm also going to add 2/3 of a cup of vodka. So I just used the cheap rail stuff this time. Normally I like to go for the good vodka, but I didn't have any on hand and I didn't want to run to the store. All right, so just to make sure this is thoroughly mixed and give it a little chill, because we did heat up our water and sugar, I'm going to pour it in my shaker along with some ice. That should be just about good. And then I'm going to strain this into a glass. And I'm going to do about half and half. So I'm going to strain in half of this. And then I would normally top this with just like some regular seltzer water. But number one, didn't have it on hand. Didn't want to go to the store again. You can tell I'm being lazy today. And number two, I did have this on hand. And it was a strawberry lemonade. This is actually just flavored water. And it's bubbly. So I thought, let's just use that instead. And it made it a nice pretty pink color, right? I'm just going to stir this just a little bit. And if you don't have this on hand, you could always use flat water too. You just won't get like the seltzer effect. That is the best darn hard lemonade I have ever had. That is super good. I could sit here and drink this whole thing. Man, that's good. It is a little bit tart, but it's sweet, and I didn't really think the strawberry flavor was going to come through, but it did. That is perfect. I need to make a whole pitcher of this, hide it in the back of the fridge, and then make a whole pitcher that doesn't have vodka, and no one will be any better than I've been drinking all day. This is really, really good. You guys got to give this a try. Really, this is so much better than any hard lemonade that you will get in the store. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you guys again next Thursday for Thirsty Thursday. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.